Hey there folks, so today I got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. This Roomba is used, but it's in great shape and it works great. Basically I'm including a brand new battery with this, and that has the black clean head module on it, which has the bearings on it. So just the module itself costs $189 if you would buy it separately. So I'll show you guys what I got here real quick. So this Roomba is used, but it's all clean and it has been disinfected and cleaned out. Got all the paperwork here, all included, registration papers, everything in there. So more paperwork here. Alright, so I'll show you guys. So I got two virtual wall lighthouses here. Alright, two virtual wall lighthouses. They do require two C-size batteries each. Alright. Got a power charger or adapter right here. It's in great shape. Got a docking station right here too. It's in excellent shape. Also including two extra brand new filters, a brand new extra side brush, and a cleaning tool, also new. Alright, and here's the Roomba itself. Get it out. One hand operation here. Okay. So here's the Roomba itself. Like I said, this Roomba is used, so that's why it has a little bit of blemishes in some places. It's not perfect, but it's in excellent shape. And on the pictures, you guys can see a little more details of the bumper area. So yeah, for more details, just take a look at the pictures. Alright, here's the back side. Alright, so we got pretty good shape, three-legged brush here. The front wheel's also in great shape, and the 560 is the model number here. Alright, so here's a dustbin and a vacuum bin. All has been cleaned out and really disinfected. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. And here's the brushes. Also have been cleaned out and disinfected. And here's the black clean head module I was talking about. It has the bearings on it, on the gears, as you guys can see. So yeah, this Roomba will last for a long time, because just a clean head module is by itself costs $189 on a different website. So I'll show you guys that it works. I'm going to do a straight run, that way you guys can see that the bumper sensors work correctly. So everything has been tested to make sure everything works good. So here's a straight run. Alright, thanks for watching.